So the video you're about to see here is me doing something pretty dumb. So I was at Lake Guntersville in the KBF AmBASSador series. This was pre-fish day, thankfully. I will never do this again. But I had an issue. I always tie a polymer knot to everything. It's one of the stronger knots. If you don't know how to tie it, look it up. There's plenty of videos. I don't need to do it. But it replaced a fisherman's knot that I'd used for decades. But a lot of grass floating around. There's a lot of eel grass and everything else. And there's a tag that comes off when you do a polymer knot. Most knots, they have that little 1/8 inch tag at the lip. So my weedless swim bait that I was using, a $15 swim bait, anyway, I reeled it in and I clipped a little bit more than that 1/8 of inch off. So what's the next cast? Don't do what I did. Would have been my personal best. Here.
Oh yeah, no! Damn it! Oh yeah, no! Damn it!
Thanks for watching. Breaks my heart, but personal best was right there. Literally almost had it. Even reached down, grabbed the lip right when he was diving because he just kind of sat there and then went away. He ended up throwing the lure, but man, that sucks. There's always next cast, right? Anyway, thanks for watching.